Hello everyone. So in our today's video, we will talk about interface. First of all, some introduction, and then we will go ahead. So obviously, we are done with abstract class and all that things. So abstract class is a class which may contain sub-abstract methods as well as non-abstract method also. So imagine there is a abstract class which contains only abstract method and it does not have any concrete method, then such classes are called as interface. Therefore, interface is nothing but an abstract class only, but it contains only abstract methods. So there are some points to remember. First, in Python, there is no separate keyword to create interface. We do not have any keyword for that. We can create interface by using abstract classes and which have only abstract method. So interface can contain constructor, variables, abstract methods, and subclass. So as we know, abstract methods should be implemented in subclass of interface. That is one point. And object creation is not possible for interface class. We can create object of child class of interface to access the implemented methods. So now we will talk about formal interface first, and then in my next video we will talk about informal because we have two types of interface. Okay, so formal it is from ABC. We are going to import capital ABC. This I think you all know what exactly we are doing, and then abstract method also because we are done with this abstract method. Okay, then we will have a class, for example bank, and it is obviously derived from abstract class. Then we will have at the rate abstract method. Okay, then we will have one method inside this balance, and with default parameter self, and we are not writing anything, we are writing only pass. Okay, then we will have one more abstract method, so we'll simply copy paste this. Actually that is I think better option. Okay, and we will have one more and we will give that name as balance 1. Okay, and we will end this class. So now you all can see in this class we have only abstract methods, so it is called as interface. And now we will write one derived class SBI, which is derived from bank. Okay, and which will have implementation of this. Instead of pass, it will have implementation of this. So suppose print balance, for example print 1,000 rupees or 1,000 rupees or something like that, 1,000 rupees. Okay, and we will remove this decorator, that is at the rate sign, and in this also print updated something 100 rupees, something like that. Okay, only one print statement just for understanding purpose. And also you all can see here, this is we are implementing balance 1, this is we are implementing balance in derived class, and they are abstract in base class. And now obviously using derived class, we will create the object as equal to capital SBI. Okay, and then I will write s dot balance function and s dot balance 1 function. Control S F1. Okay, unindentation does not match any outer indentation. Okay, so let me check that also first of all, that this is correct or not. Okay, correct. This is perfect indentation. This one is also I think perfectly indented. Okay, so now I think it is perfect, which is inside of this class only. Control S, and let's check the output of this. Okay, 1,000 rupees and updated 1,000 rupees we are getting. So that is all about formal interface. In my next video we will focus on informal interface. Thank you everyone.